In this video, I'd like to show you how to remove the noise floor on your audio. So once you have loaded an audio into Audacity, you may need to zoom in. Right now I'm at every 5 seconds. I want to be able to see every second, so I'm going to zoom in. And so here you can see I can see every second. And so I'm going to scroll over to the very beginning of my audio, and I can see all of this fuzzy stuff. That's really not silence. If I had silence, it would be a straight line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this silence at the beginning, and then I'm going to go up to Effect. And from Effect, I'm going to find Noise Reduction. Then I'm going to select the option Get Noise Profile, but before I do that, I want to make sure that my noise reduction is set at 40, my sensitivity is set at 9. And then I'm going to click Get Noise Profile. After getting the noise profile, my track is highlighted in yellow. I want to select my entire track, and so when I click over here next to the word mono, not on any of these buttons, but just right over here by mono, it selects the entire track, and I can see that the whole thing is selected. And now I'm going to go back to Effect, and I'm going to repeat the noise reduction. Now I have almost all silence. And so that is how you remove the noise floor.